Today I'd like to talk about digital citizenship. There are 9 themes, and today I'd like to talk about theme 1, digital access. Is it fair? Is it equal? First, I'd like to address fair use and equal access with all students. In Kentucky, the free and reduced lunch numbers for this year is 73.19%. In Henderson County schools, our number is over that at 83% for the same school year. How will we be leveling the playing field for our most needy students? We do have a Chromebook one-to-one rollout plan for next year, and so we should make sure it addresses the first theme of digital citizenship. That's digital access. No, I don't mean every kid will have a Chromebook and so it will be equal. What I mean is, how will these Chromebooks be used? Will there be teacher training? Will the students be able to access social media in order to tweet about their learning? Will they be able to blog about their learning? Will teachers understand how to use this technology? Building on that, we need fair use and equal access for all teachers. I know that many of us can't miss all the buzz going on in Frankfort with teacher pensions and pay. The average first-year teacher salary in Kentucky is a dismal $36,000. Is Kentucky and its schools addressing digital access for its teachers and their classrooms, as well as technology certifications such as Google certification? Here in Henderson, we as teachers do get vouchers for Google certification. But what about teachers who can't afford Wi-Fi at home? What about teachers who can't afford their own desktop computer at home to take the test? Currently, the state restricts that use, and so Google certification can only be obtained outside of the school building. Is this restriction really fair? Is it keeping some of our teachers who might otherwise be Google certified from becoming Google certified? Do we encourage our teachers to attend ed camps and other professional developments in technology? Do we have technology resource teachers and library teachers in the classrooms coaching our instruction and coaching our teachers so that fair and equal access is here to stay and maintained for all students? This is something we need to be aware of. Let's put ourselves in their shoes. Thank you for listening to me, and please watch this TEDx Youth video. Thank you for watching.